Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Saurabh Ghosh. I am from City of Joy, Kolkata. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to give a powerful self-introduction in English. Whether it's a school, college or a job interview, self-introduction creates your first impression. So let's learn it step by step. आज हम लोग सीखेंगे इस वीडियो में आप कैसे अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो इंग्लिश में पावरफुल तरीकों से, क्योंकि सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन आपका जॉब इंटरव्यू हो, स्कूल हो या कॉलेज हो, आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करता है. तो चलिए इसको हम सीखेंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप. A strong self-introduction usually has 5 parts. 1. Polite greetings. 2. Your full name. 3. Your place of origin. 4. Your current role or qualification. 5th. Your interest, strength or future goal. Remember, keep it short, simple and confident. Now I will give you an example of self-introduction. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Saurabh Ghosh. I am from City of Joy, Kolkata. I have done bachelor's in hotel management from ABC College, and I have 2 years of internship experience from United States of America in hospitality sector, and now I am pursuing bachelor's in law from XYZ College. Apart from my academics, I am passionate about reading novels, exploring new ideas, and playing badminton. My aspiration is to enhance my communication skill to become a good English teacher who inspires students. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So here are 3 quick tips, guys. Always begin with a smile. Speak slowly and clearly because fluency is more important than the fancy words. 3rd, end with a polite thank you. Practice your introduction daily because that's the key to sounding fluent. So friends, that's how you can give a fluent and impressive self-introduction in English. Now it's your turn. Write your self-introduction in the comment section and I will help you improve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you soon.